Let's get into it. First, drag your model in the Bambu Studio slicer. Then click the color painting button here at the top. Only one color is active now. To add filament colors, press this plus button. Click on the number here on the left to change the color of this filament. Here you can select the color to paint with. Let's start with the circle tool. Change the pen size here or press Ctrl and move the mouse wheel. Click and hold left mouse button to start painting the selected areas. Now let's try the sphere tool. It works almost the same, but the difference is that it goes through walls. The inside is also painted, as you can see. Let's paint some more with the sphere tool. You see both sides are painted in one action. Here you can enable a section view of the model. Click Reset Direction to cut along the current view orientation. Let's change to a side view with this cube and click Reset Direction again. It will now cut along the side view only. When checking vertical, the paint will appear in that direction only. Let's change the view orientation perpendicular to the model to see this better. Click this button to erase all painting. The same goes for the horizontal checkbox. Erase all painting again. Let's switch to the yellow color and select the triangle tool. This 3D model consists of many triangles. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks. Let's paint some of them. Hover over this icon to see which hotkeys are possible to use. Hold Alt while using the mouse wheel to change the section view. Press Alt plus Shift plus Enter to change to a wireframe model to see the triangles. Now you see how this paint tool works. Let's switch to the height range tool and change it to the maximum level. Now you can paint a specific area at a specific height. Click to paint this region with the selected yellow color. Also make one region red after selecting this color. Let's move on to the fill tool. All similar surfaces can be filled at once. Hold left mouse button and drag the mouse to paint faster. This model can be painted in no time. The gap fill tool does not apply here. There are no gaps in this STL model to fill. Click this button to erase all painting again. When you uncheck the edge detection feature, the whole model can be painted with one click. You can change the settings for your model as desired. So if you want to paint it fast, uncheck the edge detection box and click the model. I hope you find this video useful. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials.